Part 2 about this. Look, this is the trainan, and this is the tindahan. This is the car and motor, and this is a people, and this guy is vacation, and over here, wait, and over here there is a people. You see a frog. Tapos yung isa pa ay mag-upo dito. Yan o. Ito yung dagat. Ito yung McDonald's, waiting station, tapos tindahan. Ayan lang yung ginawa ko. So, what I do next? And I am beauty. Yeah. What I do next? Ito yung Lego ko. This and the sako. We're here. Have so many Lego right now there. Then what I do next? Okay.